Hello, good day. This is our day 2 of finding the quartile, decile, and percentile of the given set of data. So let me remind you of the formulas for the quartile, decile, and percentile. So we're going to have to do example number 2, wherein we're going to have more data on the given set. So let's count how many numbers or data we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that means that our n is equal to 15. We need this because, as you can see, our formula has an n plus 1. So if that is 15, we're going to use 16 because 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay? Now, we're going to have to find the following. Quartile 1. Okay, since we have 15, obviously we have a middle number over here. So if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8th number is your quartile 2. Okay, and that's the median. So do we have quartile 2 over here? Yes, and that is 11. Now let's find quartile 1. So we have the first half and the second half, right? So for the first half, we have do we have a middle number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 is our middle number, so that's your quartile 1. Second half, 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 is your middle number, so that is your quartile 3. So quartile 1 is 7. And then quartile 3 is equal to 20. Good. Now let's move on to P50 up to P of 90. So 50th percentile means the half of 100%. So that also pertains to Q of 2. These two are equal. So whatever is the value of your quartile 2, it's also the value of your P of 50. Okay? Now, 75th percentile or P75. Now, 75% of 100 is like 3/4. And 3/4 is equivalent to quartile 3. So Q3 is equal to P of 75. So you just copy its value, 20. D4, okay, there's no equivalent for D4 in any of the quartiles that we have. So we're going to have to use this formula, D over 10 n plus 1. Now your D is 4. 4 over 10, since we're talking about D, that's deciles. In denominator, it should be 10. And then your n is 15 plus 1, which is 16. So 4 over 10 times 16. So again, it won't hurt using your calculator. So that's going to be 0.4 times 16 is equal to 6.4. Meaning, we're going to have to find the average of the 6th and 7th data in the given set of data. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your 6th. And this is your 7th. So getting the average of 10 and 11, okay, that's 10.5. So the answer for D4, the 4th decile is equal to 10.5. Okay, D of 8. So again, we're gonna have to use the same formula, just change D to 8. So this is gonna be 8 over 10 times 16. So 16 because 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay, so again, using a calculator, we divide and then we multiply. And that should be equal to 12.8. Okay, so in between 12th and 13th position. So here we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your 12 is 20 and the 13th is 21. So let's have 20 plus 21 over 2. This is 41 over 2 and that gives you 20.5. Okay, so D of 8 is now equivalent to 20.5. And the last one, P of 90. Okay, so that since that is percentile, we're gonna have to use the last formula, P over 100 times n plus 1. So that will be 90 over 100 times 16. 16 from 15 plus 1. And then use your calculator. Okay. times 16 is equal to 14.4. So this means in between 14th and 15th position. So going back to our given, we have the 14th as 22 and 25. So let's find the average of these two. So 22 plus 25 over 2. And this is 47 over 2. So what is half of 47? Okay, and that is equivalent to 23.5. So therefore, the P of 90 or the 90th percentile is equivalent to 23.5. Okay? I hope you learned something for today, and now you fully understand how to get the quartile, decile, and percentile of the given set of data. Thank you.